Hey y'all, I planted these Zinnia seeds on August 9th. The seeds should be sowed a quarter inch deep, so all I did was remove the mulch I had and threw the seeds down. They're supposed to be sowed 12 inches apart, but I'm just to throw them down and see if they survive kind of gardener. I covered with a thin layer of compost and soil mix and made sure to water it deeply with the hose. I made this makeshift sign that would remind me what I planted because for the longest time I didn't know what seeds my kids planted here. I watered manually daily until I saw this sprout 5 days later. 2 weeks after, they were this big, and I added this mushroom sprinkler head and watered 3 times a week. A month after that, they started budding, and almost 2 months after sowing the seeds, we have a flower burst open. This is the first day, the second day, and the third day. And I forgot to mention it before, but I'm in zone 8A in El Paso, Texas. Also, I've noticed in the evenings the budding stems droop down, but come morning time, they perk back up. Anybody know why they do this? I looked it up but couldn't find any information. Let me know if you know in the comments. Thanks for watching.